An order granting or denying probation shall A. Be appealable within 5 days. B. Be appealable within 10 days. C. Be appealable within 15 days. D. Not be appealable. Answer D. Not be appealable. Under PD 603, should a juvenile offender become incorrigible during his reformation period, he is brought to the court for A. Release, B. Pronouncement of judgment, C. Probation, D. Pardon. Answer B. Pronouncement of judgment. When will you close a probation case? A. When the probationer absconds the place. B. When he incurred violations. C. When there is a recommendation for a revocation. D. When the termination order is approved. Answer D. When the termination order is approved. When will the court deny an application for probation of a petitioner? A. Petitioner is a foreigner. B. Petitioner is a drug dependent. C. Petitioner violates the condition. D. Petitioner can be treated well in an institution. Answer D. Petitioner can be treated well in an institution. The maximum period of probation when the sentence is not more than 1 year. A. 6 years. B. 4 years. C. 2 years. D. 1 year. Answer C. 2 years. It refers to the note given to police agencies which signifies that the probationer is under the supervision of his designated probation officer. A. Chrome card. B. Cardex card. C. Flash sheet. D. Field sheet. Answer C. Flash sheet. Within how many days should the request for outside travel be filed by the probationer to the probation office prior to the date of his intended departure? A. 5 days. B. 10 days. C. 15 days. D. 30 days. Answer A. 5 days. A French and Belgian innovation to probation that requires no supervision on the condition that the probationer would not commit an offense within a prescribed period. A. Split sentence. B. Sursis. C. Furlough. D. Parole. Answer B. Sursis. Before travel of probationer outside the jurisdiction of the city or provincial probation office, application for court approval should be filed within how many days? A. 45 days. B. 30 days. C. 15 days. D. 5 days. Answer C. 15 days. It refers to the continuing relationship between the probationer and the probation officer. A. Initial interview. B. Post-sentence investigation. C. Supervision. D. Orientation. Answer C. Supervision.